Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing you an '08 Chevy Uplander. It was one of the state's fleet vehicles. A little dent right there. Runs good, new tires on it. Got a little bit of rust, and underneath that you can see there's some rust right there. This molding needs to be reattached. Got some scratches. So just a cheap minivan, that's what it is. Got decent miles, 110,745. Currently missing the rear seats. I did find a couple for $130, so we'll try to get them. But you'll see a few scratches. Most of the rust you're going to see is down there low. Same deal, rear bumpers scratched up. They just get some age, people putting stuff in the back of them. But if you're just looking for a cheap minivan that runs and drives good, we've drove it quite a bit. So, decent van. So, any questions? 605-692-7010.